What was that noise? That was so weird. Who was making that noise? That's weird. It must be from the kitchen. That's weird. Well, maybe I'm dreaming. Just gonna go back to bed. What's going on? Maybe I am dreaming. Maybe this is just a bad dream. This is weird. This is really weird. What? That's weird. It's just me. What's with the music? Oh, I don't know. What's weird? Well, I brought you flowers. Here you go. What flowers? What do you mean there's no flowers? What? I'm gonna jump in 3, 2, 1. What was that? I don't know. Chocolate. It wasn't me. Oh no, it was you. Chocolate. Did you see my mouth move? You didn't. I know what to do. Okay, nerd. Actually, I'm not. Seriously? I'm just joking. I'm just wearing Sketch glasses. I'll put them back. This is weird. Ah! Really what? Maybe we could go shopping? Okay. Okay, got on my head. Let's go. There's a new shop that we could go to. Okay. Okay, we're here. Maybe you could try on some stuff? Yes.